Hey fans, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Today we are going to make a delicious salsa with a molcajete. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. And using it with our good friend Guadalupe. Guadalupe, say hello.
Hello, everybody.
But first, we have to find out what kind of salsa we're making. Is it going to be hot or is it going to be mild?
Mild? No, we don't like mild. Hot. Chiles.
Begin by roasting the tomatillos and the chilies.
These small tomatillos are really good. They're flavorful, they're juicier than the big tomatillos. When you make salsa, choose the small tomatillos. Tomatillos are better, it's the same as tomatoes. The tomatoes, the smaller, the juicier, like romas.
Remove the garlic and the chilies and place inside the molcajete. So we're going to be grinding the chilies and the garlic first.
Yeah. You always start grinding of your veggies with salt. And then that is what is going to give you a good base. And you start churning.
We got our tomatillos, we got our tomato, we got our onions. Those chilies look good. And these are the same chilies that I... Holy shit!
It's good to scare the bad spirits, the bad vibes. We are scaring all the bad vibes of your house.
Those chilies are making us all cough right now, but scaring away all the spirits in the house. Yes!
The first you put your first vegetables, and the salt is going to help to grind. When you do this, you also twist the stone, okay? And this is volcanic rock.
And these are good for right now. We just turned off the heat, so we're just gonna let these sit and rest for a minute. And how long does this grinding last?
Well, you grind probably, depends on how many vegetables do you have.
Okay.
But it's about 20 minutes. So this is a labor of love, because then you start adding your tomatillos. What are you doing?
I am grinding our veggies.
And look at the salsa. And we're still coughing, you guys, because this is kind of spicy.
Yeah, so when you find those skins in there, grind it good. We're just going to dress the cilantro on top of the salsa. Look at that salsa. Vincent, you ready for some salsa? You're not ready for salsa? We are ready for some salsa, and I'm ready to do my chip test because I am starving. Mother-in-law tried it.
And it made me start talking crazy.
Oh.
This is Lupita's recipe. Well, I did add another half a tomato in there because it was a little bit too hot for me. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Perfect.
You have to
She's the one who made it.
Now you have to try it too.
Okay. I'm gonna try it.
I love it.
¿Verdad que sí?
Sí, eché otro pedazo de tomate ahí.
Yeah. It's a shared recipe because she fixed it.
It's a shared recipe.
And Lali's recipe.
Okay, sounds good.
You exercise and eat salsa.
Oh, there you go. Thank you to Guadalupe for sharing our recipe with us. It was a fun, amazing time. Did you have a good time?
Very good time.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We had a blast doing it. It was super fun, very educational. And if you like this kind of content, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We post new content on every Thursday. So we'll see you next week, guys. Have fun. Bye.